Hi, Kurumi here. Today's recipe is Japanese onion soup. First, you will need about 25 grams of butter, and 500 ml of water, and 2 rice cakes, and about 75 grams of cheddar cheese, top and tail 1 large brown onion, set the onion on its side and cut into rings like this. Break up the rings into a bowl. Crush 4 cloves of garlic, melt the butter in a medium saucepan. Add the onion rings and the crushed garlic. Stir to coat the onions in the butter. Sweat the onions over medium heat with the lid on for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, cut up the cheese into straws. Cover the rice cakes with the cheese. Stir the onions from time to time. When the 20 minutes is up, add the water and 1 tablespoon of Japanese instant dashi granules. Bring to the boil and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Grill the rice cakes until the cheese has melted. Add 1 heaped tablespoon of miso to the soup. Gently blend in the miso like this. Simmer for 1 to 2 minutes, then turn off the heat. Once the rice cakes are ready, remove from the grill. Ladle the onion soup into a soup bowl. Slide in the rice cracker. Last, a dash of shichimi seasoning. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.